Hey everyone, I'm Brad Wood, and I'm a senior consultant with Valiantys and Atlassian Platinum Solutions partner. And in this video, we'll look at two ways to enhance tables in Atlassian Analytics. We'll start by adding some color coding, and then we'll learn how to add hyperlinks. If you're not familiar, Analytics is Atlassian's data analysis and visualization tool. It's powered by the Atlassian Data Lake, and it can also connect to third-party tools. It's available at the enterprise level in Atlassian Cloud products. So here we are in an example dashboard, and if we look at this chart here, drill down tickets and status, we can see those two customizations have been added. We see the color coding here, and then we see these clickable hyperlinks here. So let's start by looking at how the color coding is configured. So we'll click More Actions, and we'll go to Edit Settings. Then we'll head over to Formatting, and you can change some general formatting settings here, your number format, rounding for numbers, date format, etc. But then you can also add custom formatting, and that's how we've added this color coding in our status category column. So if we expand one of these, for instance, we can see columns to format. We've chosen status category. We can change the column width here if we need to. There's some conditional formatting. We can change some things about the text, so we could change the text color. We can make it bold or italics. We've got some alignment options here. And then the cell background is what we've actually changed here. And if you're working in Jira or any other Atlassian product, you know that the colors for the status categories are important. So gray means to do, blue means in progress, and green means done. And that's exactly what we've done here. So we've created a conditional formatting rule for this column that if the text equals done, the cell should be green. And then we've also done that for in progress. So the cell should be blue. And you could also mimic this for to do to be gray. So that is just one use case for some color coding in a table. I'm sure your organization will have many other use cases for color coding as well. And then the other thing we've got in this chart is some hyperlinks. So we've configured the issue key column to all be links, and these would actually take us to those specific issues in Jira if we click these. So let's see how this is configured. So we'll go to More Actions and Edit Chart. And we can see we're pulling in three different things into our query. We've got the issue key, we've got the issue's URL, and then the status category, which is our other column here. And so we're pulling those three columns in, and then we've got this formula column that we've created. So this is one of the formulas you can choose to create a link, and we are creating it using the issue key as the title and then the URL as the URL itself. And that's what's creating the clickable link in our chart. Once we've added that formula column, we're then hiding the URL column, and we're also hiding the original issue key column because our our formula has created a new column. We can see that in our table down here. This MD link column has been created. And then the last thing we're doing in our chart is we're renaming that to issue key once we've reordered it in the way that we want it. And that's how our table is being generated with the clickable link. And then, of course, once you've made all of your configurations, you'll click Save to Dashboard. You can see a preview right here, and you can even hover over these and verify that the links are the correct links. And I can see those just in the bottom of my web browser here. So those are just two enhancements that you can add to your tables in Atlassian Analytics. There are so many more powerful features in Atlassian Analytics, and we discuss those in other videos on our YouTube page. We also have an analytics workshop, which is a hands-on course designed to enable you to start using analytics for your organization's reporting needs. The info on that course can be found at valiantys.com/training. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any follow-up questions on analytics or anything else Atlassian related, please feel free to reach out to me via email or LinkedIn, both of which will be in the description of this video.